the greatest of levels, someone that was looking out for those in need, even in his final moments. He's a hero. He's courageous. He deserves to be honored and remembered, not just for today or a couple of weeks, but forever in this city. His family, they need to know that Officer Jamal Mitchell will live on. His name will be remembered as a hero. So many other officers within our Minneapolis Police Department, they are all working tirelessly to protect and serve. Their work doesn't always get recognized. They get up in the morning and they go in to serve the city of Minneapolis, recognizing that their families are serving along with them. Officer Mitchell was a father, a fiance, a son. People often forget that these are human beings. In addition to being police officers, they are human beings with aspirations and hopes and dreams. And what sets them apart is one of those dreams is to become a Minneapolis Police Department, Minneapolis police officer, and serve and protect, running towards danger when the rest of us would run in the other direction. They do this incredible work, and for that they deserve our support. They deserve our respect and appreciation, because how many of the rest of us would have the courage to do these kinds of jobs?
The city's had a complicated relationship with its police department over the last few years. By all accounts, this officer was the things that
Incredible.
the city was hoping the department could become.
That's right.
Do you worry that this could be an issue for recruiting and long-term staffing for public safety in our city?
The officers that are entering this department, the officers that are in this department that have stayed, they are committed. They're committed to protecting and serving. They're committed to the change that we've talked about. They're committing to upholding these values that we all want to see, recognizing that the situations that they are entering are dangerous. They don't know necessarily what's behind the next corner or what's behind the door that they're about to enter. These are horrible and dangerous situations that they're often entering, and yesterday is a tragic and prime example of it.
Do you worry that what happened to Officer Mitchell could deter other recruits from joining the force?
Right now, we are seeing people enter this force that really care. We're seeing heroes that are deciding to step up, to wear the badge that they do, to wear the uniform that they do to make the city a better place. Officer Mitchell was clearly a prime example of exactly that.
Officers hurting, obviously, today.
Yeah.
Can you talk about what the city is doing or how they're being supported? I know there's been a lot of mutual aid, so to speak, from other departments coming in. We had a chance to talk to anyone from the precinct today.
Yeah, the message loud and clear is that we're going to support them in any way we can. Whether that's offering mental health and assistance. What we've also heard loud and clear is they're looking for vocal support for the hard work that they do each and every day. And yeah, they deserve it. They deserve it because the jobs that they do are difficult. In cases like this, tragic.
Are there? Can you say anything about any possible plans for a city memorial at this point?
I'd like to go in that direction. I don't have a particular plan for it yet. I think we need to further discuss that and obviously talk with the family. But honoring Officer Jamal Mitchell in a formal, lasting way is something that, in my mind at least, should happen.
Have you had a chance to speak with Officer Mitchell's family, and can you say anything about how they're doing?
I have, yeah. And I won't get into that.
Have you been able to talk with the city council or any other leaders around the city about responding in the immediate aftermath of this?
Yes. I mean, generally, yes.
Anything you can share about things in the works, kind of beyond a memorial, anything you've been working on, reaching out to family?
Obviously everything is still in the very early stages right now, and so the plan as far as memorial, and other pieces. I mean, look, we got to look to the family. The family's got to come first right now.
Are the precinct officers out on patrol today? Are they working? Are they being relieved? Or do you know?
The officers within our department are working. I mean, that's the thing, you know. These extraordinary men and women are getting up in the morning or going to work at night, regardless of the circumstance. I mean, that's part of the difficulty of this job. Because something traumatic happens doesn't mean that the work stops.
And like we said, getting mutual aid requests coming in. Do you know if there are any other branches that are coming in to support the 5th Precinct right now with their staff or anything like that?
You'd have to talk to the inspector about the specifics. What I can say is we have received overwhelming and extraordinary support from a number of other jurisdictions that stepped up both last night, but also today. I mean, reports of Hennepin County Sheriff's Office helping respond to 911 calls on the north side, or St. Paul Police helping out at the Target Center. We've had a number of State Patrol helping out on site. We are deeply appreciative of that support, and what's clear is a number of officers from around the state have come to support this department, this city, the people in it, and most importantly, Officer Mitchell.